Good morning, fourth graders. It's day 4 of science. We're learning about energy. We learned about wind energy and sun energy. And today we're going to focus on water energy. So again, you're going to need to access your document, Mystery Science, Energizing Everything Mystery 8 Energy Worksheet Part 2. So we are looking at water energy today, and specifically in Aspen, Colorado. So again, the slide before this, if I scroll to the slide before, slide 5, you can click on the video here, okay? So I'm gonna click on that video and then we'll watch and see what we need to do for today.
Finally, you're going to fly to Aspen, Colorado, a town that's high in the mountains. While there, you meet the town's historian, and you ask him what kind of energy they use. In response, the historian shows you a picture of what they use and gives you this report to read. Go ahead and read the report from Aspen on the water energy sheet to yourself.
So going back to our document, we're going to read what the town historian from Aspen tells us. Our town is high in the Rocky Mountains. Every spring, snow from the mountains melts. Water flows downhill into streams and rivers. Over 100 years ago, an engineer figured out how to make electricity using energy from flowing water. People built a dam, a thick wall to control the flow of the river. When they built giant wheels called turbines, the dam released water to turn the turbines. The turbines spin and make electricity. It takes a lot of water, flowing water, to make enough electricity for a town. Making enough electricity for a town takes a flow of about 1 million gallons a minute. Today, our town needs more energy than the dam and turbines can supply. People don't want to build another dam. They want to be sure the rivers have enough water for fish and other wild animals. So our town buys some electricity from nearby towns that have energy to spare from windmills powered by the wind.
Read the report again with your partner, looking for answers to questions 1, 2, and 3. Write your answers, then go to the next slide.
So again, after you read that, you're going to answer questions 1, 2, and 3. So the information that you got from the town historian, what are the benefits or advantages of using energy from flowing water? Number 2, what are possible problems or disadvantages of using energy from flowing water? And number 3, what does Aspen have that makes energy from flowing water a good choice for this town?
Have a look at this map of Boulderville, then discuss.
Okay, so here is Boulderville again. Looking at this map, does Boulderville have any water that it could use for water power? Look carefully at the map.
Now look at this map of Boulderville and discuss.
Okay, so now here's the same map, but now we see arrows that show how the water is flowing. So the water is flowing north to south. We see these arrows starting from the north and going to the south. When you hold back a river with a dam, it forms a lake, storing water. You can release the water anytime to make more energy. Is there room for a lake near Boulderville? Okay, so look at that map. Does it have room for a lake?
Have a look at this chart. Afterwards, discuss. Here's a hint. You might need to look back at the report.
Okay, so here's Boulderville in a year. So if you see this table, it goes from January to December. This describes the flow in Boulderville's river, shown in gallons per minute. So in January was 500,000, February 1 million, March 2 million, April 4 million, May 7 million, June 7 million, July 5 million, August 2 million, September 2 million, October 2 million, November 1 million, and December 2 million. Does Boulderville's river have enough flowing water to use energy? Okay, so here's a little math here. Boulderville is less than 1/4 the size of Aspen. So when we look at the paper here, we know that Boulderville is 1/4 the size of Aspen, Colorado. If we look back here, it tells us how much Aspen, Colorado needs for the flow to be. And it says a flow of about 1 million gallons a minute. Oh my goodness, okay. So what would be 1/4 of that? Use your understanding of fractions to figure that out.
Go ahead and answer number 4 on your water energy sheet.
Okay, so just like we discussed, you're going to come back to this document. Does Boulderville have what it needs to get its energy from flowing water? Explain. So use the data, use information from the town engineer, town historian from Aspen, Colorado. Also use the charts and the maps. Do they have what it needs to get energy from flowing water? So now you learned about water energy. So today you're done. So you've learned about 3 types of renewable energy: wind energy, sun energy, and water energy. Tomorrow when we come back, we're going to take all that knowledge that we've learned this week and we're going to come up with a plan for Boulderville. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.